How long should an HVAC repair take? Most common HVAC repairs take between 1 and 4 hours, but complicated problems may require several visits or a full system replacement. A technician usually begins by asking what the system is doing, checking the thermostat, and testing the heating or cooling equipment. A simple fix, such as replacing a fuse, capacitor, air filter, or loose electrical connection, may take less than an hour. Finding a refrigerant leak, repairing damaged wiring, or replacing a blower motor can take several hours because the technician must test the system carefully afterward. Some repairs take longer when a part is not available locally and must be ordered. A useful detail many homeowners do not know is that the repair itself can be quick, while diagnosing the real cause takes most of the appointment. For example, a system that blows warm air could have a dirty filter, a failed capacitor, low refrigerant, or a frozen coil. Before the visit, write down the symptoms, check whether the air filter is blocked, and make sure the outdoor unit has clear space around it. Ask the technician what failed, what the repair includes, and whether the price covers testing the system after the work is finished. One common mistake is assuming that a quick repair means the technician did poor work, so ask whether the system was fully tested before it is considered finished. Another mistake is replacing a part without finding the reason it failed, so request an explanation of the underlying cause. People also sometimes wait several days after noticing weak airflow or strange sounds, but early service can prevent a small problem from damaging the compressor or other expensive parts. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.